Hello friends, welcome back to in this video. So in this video I'm talk about Honor Band 9. So Honor company prepare to launch its new fitness band called Honor Band 9. This fitness band launch in globally soon, and before launching this fitness band specifications, and when this fitness band release, and what is price of this fitness band, and this type of information reveal before this fitness band launching. And first of all, you see this fitness band look, and look is very pretty here, you see. And talking about specification, so recently this yeah, fitness band online sport, and and in this fitness band company has provided Bluetooth 5.3, and no and unfortunately no other information here at this time. But after sometimes more features is revealed before this fitness band launching. And recently this fitness band online sport, and in this smartwatch, in this fitness band also support AMOLED display, and battery backup is very fantastic in this fitness band. And talking about the price, what is price of this fitness band? So I think this fitness band launch in globally approx $250 approximately. So what do you think this fitness band? Please tell me, and thank you for watching this video.